Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, welcome back for another video. Hope you're doing well. Let's work out full body strength. As always, my lovely workouts are full body. I will start with upper body, adding some mobility and then strength, and then we keep moving. Okay, first, as always, inhale deeply. Exhale. One more. Exhale. Arms in front of you. Right arm grabs your left scapula. Right one grabs your right, but on the top. Inhale first. We're gonna drive our elbows up. Inhale. Exhale and push up. And down. 10 times. 2, 3, push. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, one more, 10, and switch. Straight arms in front, left leg goes lower, right arm higher, grab, inhale, push, and 2, and 3. Go ahead, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, breathe, 9, 10, and release. Awesome. Okay, the next one, elbows on the ground, adding upper body mobility, right arm behind your head. Inhale first. Exhale, twist towards the right side, push your right elbow up. Hold here 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, hold 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and switch. Right arm on the ground, left arm up. Inhale. Exhale, up. Hold 10, 9, 8, 7, hold 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and back. Okay, release. Arms on the ground. First, let's warm up our wrists. Bend them inside, as always. Flex them a little bit. If you cannot do with both arms, do with one. Just warm up your wrist good. My weather is warm, so I don't need to warm up too much. If you are working out where it's cold, then you need to get warmer before. Okay. Rotate your pelvis, raise your knees off the ground. We're gonna start with upper body. Pushing from the right arm fully, left opens towards the side, and we push up with one arm. Holding tight and stable the right side. We're gonna do 12 times on each arm. Inhale. Exhale, let's work. Knees off the ground. 2, higher. 3, push. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 more. 1, 2. Release. Inhale deeply. We're gonna switch side. Exhale. Here we go. Rotate your pelvis. Raise your knees off the ground and work right side up. 1, 2. Push. 3, 4, 5, high, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 more. 1, 2. Good. Release. Awesome. Warming up our upper body. Inhale first. Exhale. Okay. Plank position. We're gonna drive our elbows back and forward, back and forward, back and forward. Straight legs, rotate your pelvis, keep your core lower back straight. And from here, drive back, push your shoulders back, and then forward. Drive back, and then forward. We're gonna do 12 times. Here we go. Inhale. Exhale, let's work. And back. 2, push. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 more. 1, 2, and release. Okay, breath. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, continue next one. Plank position. From here, take care what you need to do. From here, we drive our chest and shoulders closer towards the ground, bending our knees, slightly moving our hips backwards. Here, and then we're back to plank position. And again, down and plank. Keep in mind one thing, try to not put the arms too far away from you, and when you slightly move backwards, try to push the ground always, feel stable. Try to not put the arms too wide. Take care about your shoulders if you are weak. Inhale first, plank position. We're gonna do slowly 20 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, breathe. 4, 5, 6, push. 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1, 2, 3. Go ahead. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop plank position. Inhale. Exhale, push down, chest on the ground, Chaturanga, push up. Hold here, 4, 3, 2, 1, and back up. Okay, nice and easy. From here we go to down facing dog. Straight legs, lengthening for the spine, keep your legs straight as always. Hold 10, 9, 8, 7, hold 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then we continue from here. Keep holding down facing dog. We slightly bend our knees, right? Keep pushing our chest towards the ground. And from here, we're gonna step with our left leg forward towards the lizard pose. Back again to bend position, and again forward with right leg to lizard pose, and again back, bending knees. So always keeping the same shape, switching legs. Okay, first back to down facing dog. Inhale. We're gonna do 20 times, 10 on each side. Inhale, slightly bend your knees. Let's step forward with left forward and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, work. 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, push. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Back to down facing dog and hold here 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, breathe. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then slowly right leg in front. Open your both legs towards the side. First, from here, inhale first deeply. Exhale, keep your palms on the ground. Feel that stretch in your hips, hamstrings, just breathe. Nice and easy. Inhale first. Okay, raise your arms on the ground, from the ground, closer to your chest. Knees rotating, rotate your knees out, look forward and squat position. Sumo squat position. Hold 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then again, straight legs, fall forward in front, arms as far as possible. You need to feel your hamstrings, your glutes right now. Feel that stretch. Hold here. 10, 9, 8, 7. Hold 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then again, arms go towards your chest. Raise your upper body. Bend your knees. And we go to sumo squat. Hold 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7. Hold 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, straight legs, lengthening forward. Try to reach with your arms as far as possible. Feel that stretch. Hold 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then you move towards the right side. Grab your right leg. Push your chest towards your knee. Then hold 10, 9, 8, 7. Hold 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Reverse. Grab your left one and stretch. Hold 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then switch side. Your left arm goes far away on the ground. Inhale first. Your right arm draws up, open up, twist your spine. Hold 10, 9, 8, 7. Hold 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then you slightly switch. Right arm towards the left side, reach as far as possible. And inhale. Exhale, twist. Hold 10, 9, 8, 7. Hold 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, back in the middle. Open your arms towards the side. Head lower. And just breathe. Feel that stretch in your hamstrings right now. Relax your upper body fully. Here we go. Hold 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slightly move up. Lengthening through the spine. Open your arms towards the side. Hold 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And release. Bend your legs. Kneeling. Sit down and breathe. Relax your arms, relax your legs. Okay, inhale first deeply. Exhale. Another one. Exhale. Here we go. We are adding core stability. What I want you from here to do, if you can, try to do with both legs. If you cannot, try to do with one straight, one bended. Can be on the ground. What we're gonna do, straight arms in front, bended legs. From here, I want you to open your legs straight forward and bend them. Keep the lower back straight. Open, close, open, close. If it is too hard for you, you can keep one on the ground, straight arms, and do only this first. Okay, we're gonna do 20 times. Inhale first. Exhale, drive up. Keep your lower back flat. 2, 3, higher. 4, 5, push. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1, go ahead. 2, push. 3, push. 4, push. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Legs on the ground, arms closer to your body. We're gonna do bridge. Put your hips up and hold. 10, 9, higher. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And one more set of this. You lie down on the ground. From here, rotate your pelvis, chest forward. Raise your knees off the ground, straight arms in front. And we're gonna work with our legs straight up. 20 times. Inhale. Let's work. 2, push. 3, 4, high. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1, go ahead. 2, push. 3, push. 4, push. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale first deeply. Exhale, push up bridge. Hold 10, 9, higher, 8, 7, push, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Awesome, breath a little bit. Inhale first deeply. Exhale. Okay, moving a little bit to upper body. Inhale. Exhale. What we're gonna do? We're gonna do simple push-ups, 12 push-ups, but we'll add difficulty. When we push down, we push regular. When we push up, we raise one arm off the ground. Back, down, right arm off the ground, down. Okay, 12 times. Keep in mind, when you raise one arm off the ground, you should be very, very stable. If you are weak, I'm repeating you again, don't add difficulty. Just keep both arms on the ground and just work as you can. Here we go, 12. Straight arms, straight legs. In front. Inhale. Exhale, work. 1, 2, push. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 more. 1, 2. Good job. Release. Inhale deeply. Exhale. We're gonna do one more set of this. Another one. Okay. Go. 12. Plank position, straight lower back, leg square. Here we go. Down and raising one arm forward. And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, push. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 more. 1, 2. Move to down facing dog. Breathe. 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7. Hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Knees on the ground slightly. Good. From here with your arms, step towards the left side. You need to feel the stretch in the right part of your lower back. Okay, another one. Switch to the right side first. Okay, hold 3, 2, 1, and back up. Okay, done with this. Nice and easy workout, quick workout. You can do at home. Actually everywhere, not only at home, indoor, outdoor. The most important is to be consistent. The most important is to take care of yourself, take care of your body. Don't forget that practice is the best medicine. No one in this world will take care of you, of your body, if not you. So be consistent. Try to find the way that you like. Try to find the style that you like, and try to practice daily and be consistent with that. 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 20 minutes. It is up to you. The most important is be consistent. It's not about how long you're practicing every day, but it's about how many years you are in the game. Stay strong. Peace.